since we've had something sweet for Taste Test Tuesday. Let me try a new spell to see what I can bring to the table. Razzle dazzle sprinkle spoof, bring something sweet for my tooth. Looks like I've used the wrong spell somehow. Well, have a happy Halloween, and make sure you check your candy.
See, look, you did the spell wrong again. You were supposed to get the sweets.
Look, I know. I messed up.
So I just decided to go to the store anyways and get some.
Thank you for fixing my mistakes.
My mustache here in my mouth. Anyways. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to another Taste Test Tuesday. Alright, so I went to the store because she messed up the spell and gave us mustaches.
It wasn't my fault. Something went wrong. I think someone tossed the wrong ingredient in the wrong jar.
Okay, Luigi. Anyways, player 2. So I went ahead and got Hostess iced pumpkin cupcakes. It's limited edition. Let's see what this tastes like. And here's the ingredients list. As always, super long. No offense.
That's a whole spell in itself.
No, seriously. For real. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, let's try this out. If you didn't catch it earlier.
Look at that. At the visually wrapped.
This is what it looks like right here. Traditional, but it has the pumpkin color. It smells really good.
Got mine off the wrapper.
Doesn't it smell good?
That do smell good.
It smells really
this time. Y'all got into the Halloween spirit, didn't y'all?
Whoa. Do you see these sparkles? They got sparkles on it.
What in the...
It's sparkles, y'all. Y'all see those sparkles? What in the world? Alright.
Got a cute... Oh, yes.
Mustache hair again. I don't know how y'all do to do this.
Oh.
I like it. It's sweet. I taste the pumpkin spice. It tastes really good.
And it's not too sweet though. But I wish they had a little bit more cream filling on the inside, because like, I don't know, I'm just kind of not getting them mine.
I'm so happy they don't have that much cream filling in the inside. Or because it's actually evened out with the icing on top for me. Because the icing on top is a lot, and then, it actually, they balance this one.
I might take that back. There's more balance.
Okay, I'm not eating the whole thing. I'm eating this like...
The icing is kind of, I don't know why it's so big to me.
So what would you say? Oh, I mean, yeah, it is. It is, but that's their thing. That's Hostess thing.
That's true. I don't know. it's more hard, so I'm used to like when it's
soft creamy icing.
yeah, it's usually
But it's packaged like this, so they have to have that.
right.
So I still kind of like.
Yeah.
I give them 2 ears.
I give them 2 ears as well because they had a good balance of flavor and sweetness, and like I said, it wasn't too sweet. Let me hear what you gotta say.
Yeah, I give them 2 ears because they didn't have too much of the filling, and the icing on top balanced with the filling in between and the thick cake around it. So I like it. Let's try out the next one.
Okay, this here is a limited edition as well. We got Hostess Scary Cakes with Scream filling. Wait, I'm trying to open the box. Don't make me struggle. I think I already hear that, but
She said rip it off like a band-aid.
check this out. Look at the wrapper. Look at that wrapper, y'all. That's pretty cool. So you got some ghosts. Wait, I'm sorry. Some pumpkins, witches, and trees on the wrapper.
And hearts.
And heart. Oh no, that's the logo. That's the Hostess logo.
Oh,
The Hostess logo as well.
what does the Scream filling remind you of?
Reminds me of the Scream cheese on them bagels in Hotel Transylvania. Play that clip right here. Yeah. So we're gonna open these up now.
Super, super chocolatey smell.
So the
They already starting off looking a little wild.
yeah, so it's sparkly.
I promise you it was doing it to me.
Okay, well, anywho, it's sparkly on the loops, the icing loops, and the icing is orange.
Yeah.
And it's chocolate. So let's try this out. Cheers.
Is there no mustard?
I'm just waiting on you to say what
It's
you
kind
gotta
of
say.
dry. It's really chocolatey.
Yeah. And
The Scream cheese filling, whatever that's supposed to be, I taste nothing. It tastes like nothing. The icing don't really taste like nothing either. Like, this one don't have a flavor for real except chocolate. But a chocolate that don't taste like chocolate.
just tastes like chocolate with a coating of sugar.
Yeah.
And a filling of a Twinkie.
Yeah. Even a twink. Yeah, basically.
So they got the white filling inside of the chocolate cake.
Yeah, like
The top has no flavor. Like she said, it just
Like,
tastes like
it's
straight
nothing.
sugar. Sugar coat.
I'm sorry, y'all ain't getting two ears from me. You getting it might be no ears. I'll be honest with you.
The chocolate is good. That's about it. It's just the chocolate.
Well, I'll give you one ear then.
It's limited edition for a reason.
And chocolate is okay. Alright, you got 1 ear for the chocolate. That's about it.
Okay.
Yeah, this one
is
is just
a plate.
this one is just too much sugar. Yeah. Well, what you think?
I'm just like laughing at my mustache looking like Steve Harvey.
Y'all crazy. Okay, that's okay. Here we go.
But anyways, now I look like Steve Harvey.
But this time.
Anyways, the icing on top, it just tastes like sugar. The chocolate cake part is good. The filling is not my taste.
I know it really.
So I say I give it no ears too. Maybe 1 ear for the chocolate. Just 1 ear for the chocolate. That's it. But the rest of it is a little too much. It's too much.
It really is.
Too much sugar.
Too much sugar.
It's
This
not
one,
balanced.
the pumpkin spice one, is not sweet like this one is. This is just too much. So it's like just 1 ear for the chocolate, like we said. That's it.
Yeah. Well, thank you once again for joining us for another
Taste Test Tuesday.
Come back again to see what we try out. And hit the like button, the subscribe, comment down below, and share. Thank you for watching. See y'all later.
Peace.
Alright, so next we're just gonna try this out. No, it's okay. Okay, so we finally got it out the box after like 20 minutes later. And this is what it looks like. Go ahead, show it.
It's not even.
I know it's not on, but you know, just. Whoa. Punch. This punch.
Wait, hold on.
It's the whole.
What?
How do you change this on?
What is this, Alexi? I got it. Who said way out?
So they want you to use a fart and a huaya to mix music? Okay, try it. Play the music.
Okay, there's the phone thing.
Go on beat. You're supposed to try something different. Hold on, I need to do this. How do I change the song?
I think the buttons.
That's it.
Why is the instruction booklet so big? Microphone?
Cool.
If someone do some like Spanish right now, like
That's it. So I gotta keep moving.
basically punch, swipe, flick, and twist. Next song, sound effects for your song. Microphone record. Performance record. Oh, there's recording performance. Oh, and then the sound effects is right there. So confused. Oh, you can connect your headphones to it. That's actually kind of cool.
That's kind of weird. Oh, no. That's something else.
I wanted to say they're really trying to make an excuse without being able to explain this in the instructions because they was like, we suck at writing, so we just gonna show you a video tutorial. Let me try.
So you're reviewing this?
Yes,
Okay. So it already came with the batteries, but it said it didn't come with
yeah,
batteries.
sure. Yeah.
Didn't it?
That's not even batteries. No, I'm confused about the USB-C cord. So I don't know if that's for when you want to mix your own music into there, or if that's like, what is it, you know?
No, it can't be a charger.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go into further depth with
Can
this.
you believe they were trying to sell this for $45, $44?
$44 and like 57
Just in the
cents.
40 range is ridiculous. And it don't come with two, it's just one.
I know, like it should have came with two, because then you would have had, and it should have synced together. It would have been
But
like,
they said it's funny because they say it's 120 mixable music tracks
an 80
and 80 sound effects when the music tracks isn't more than like 10 seconds.
For real.
First
I'm just
off,
like, well, you go first.
oh,
'cause
I'm just saying, the music tracks isn't long enough to even play with.
that's what I'm saying.
To mix that music. You can't.
And then when you do mix it, it sounds so bad because you heard that it was like.
It wasn't even. You know how the bop it does the shake it, bop it, twist it,
like
spin
that.
it?
Even that is long, and it mixes together even though it's in a loop.
It's a bit more accurate
Yeah.
because when I twist, it's not catching a twist unless I do something like that
Yeah.
or like this. Like who's actually,
I know, like.
you know, like who's really doing it?
That's what I was saying. Ain't nobody doing it. What is that button doing? I'm sorry, like, yo, what? Alternative tracks button. Oh.
It's not playing nothing though. See, it's not even playing it. What age is on here? They got
If I
age
see
range
like
on it. 6+. This is 3 to 4. Age 3 to 4.
Yeah,
6+
like...
is just gonna throw this at you. Like, 6+ will literally throw this at you.
For real?
It's no point.
Y'all thought y'all was doing something for real?
3 to 4.
They was
y'all.
trying to be like the was it Orbs or something one?
Orbeez.
It's kind of like that. It's something like that, but it's basically
I'm
like
thinking of them
Orbs.
bubble things. They're
and-
coming together.
Like it's the name is similar, but it's Orb or something.
Oh, with the music.
Yeah. And it's a circle, and you just like tap on it and start making your beats or whatever. Like that's a low key what they was trying to make with this.
What's it
and
called?
sell for $44, but now it's $14.
Just buy your kid one of those boards.
EDM pad.
EDM pad. Get them an EDM pad. Pre-program it.
Mono pads.
Yeah.
EDM.
Just pre-program it and let them play with that instead. At least they'll have actual music instead of.
Honestly, that's
Yes.
true. You could even go on what was that? Band Labs. Even Band Labs is better than this, honestly, because
That's kind of scary. You mean GarageBand?
no, it's like I don't even know. If
Even
they got
GarageBand. They got GarageBand.
Do they?
BandLabs, GarageBand. Just anything low greatness. Well, GarageBand not that bad. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. That's all I can say. That's a shame.
Peace.
Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell while you're on it. Comment some recommendations down below. And thanks for watching again.
And think about it twice before you buy one of these.
Yeah.
6+, yeah, right.
Thankfully, this was only $14.
Yeah. And not 44.
For real. Peace.
I'm Paul Blart.
I'm Johnny Depp.
Luigi. Compliment.
Did you do it? I'm sorry.
Come on.
Just saw someone attacking me. Sorry.
Your mustache.